So, ladies and gentlemen, is this the pullback that we are looking for? And maybe before we dive into the analysis, okay, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up on this video, and most importantly, do not forget to hit that bell notification icon so you'll be notified when I upload this content. All right, so the market has been in a ripping faces left and right, here and there to the bears. I mean, it's bullish, right, guys? I cannot stress this enough. We have to be patient. There is no sense in trying to short the market at the moment. It's not wise. I mean, do whatever you want, okay? You may get a nice little move or short-term move here and there, but that's not my trading style. Right now, we are identifying, we know that the market is bullish, okay? You see this impulsive, extended, way overextended wave 3, okay, is a very massive wave 3 structure that unfolded from October the 13th low, okay, right over here. Now, the question is, are we pulling back? Are we going to make a little bit more of a high over here towards the 2618? And we are on the fence against that right now, okay? I'm not going to take a trade right here to potentially take advantage of a minimal upside trade with this massive risk below, because we are nearing the 2618 on the spot, okay, of this third wave. Now let's dive into the 30-minute time frame and let's take a look at this structure and the subdivision, and let's take a quick analysis as to where potentially this bottom or this top will be. Now, coming off the 4th of October low, up in one, ABC pullback into the wave 2, 618, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and then we are now trying to make the final fifth wave of wave 5 of wave 3. Okay, now this is where the line in the sand, I wouldn't say the line in the sand, but more like one of the whatchamacallit, I'm trying to think of the word, confirmations that perhaps we will be making our journey down to the zone is if we start breaking below the 38.2. As you can very well see, guys, you can very well see that this was a beautiful ABC pullback and is holding the 38.2% retracement of the wave 2 to the wave 3 pullback to the wave 4. Now, if we are to hold this zone, okay, if we are to hold a 465.86, remember that, guys, 465.86, then we are going to make our way back up to new all-time highs and then potentially break above 471.11 to 473.95. Now, should we start breaking south of the 465.86, then our last zone of resistance, or support rather, of confirmation is if we break south of this wave 1 over here. Now, at that point, it will already be a pretty sizable pullback, respectively, okay, to this wave 3 advance. Okay, now those zones are going to be, excuse me here, the 23 to 38.2, which is the 461 and 455 of the higher degree wave count. Okay, the smaller degree wave count, okay, is suggesting that we may hold the 38.2 and we head on higher. Now, there is no reason, as I mentioned earlier in the video, okay, to either take a long trade to take advantage of this just very minimum, okay, upside opportunity, or a short opportunity here if we know that fourth waves of this higher degree could be pretty much sideways. All right, no volatility, no real velocity. Options are gonna get crushed. Okay, you do not, I mean, you have to, the only way you can try to short or go long, whichever, on the correction is if you have a confirmed wave C of that wave count. Okay, wave C, remember that. So we will confirm the initial wave A, the pullback in the wave B into a reasonable retracement within the reasonable fib levels, and then we confirm the wave C. Okay, then is where you may consider a position to take you down towards this fib levels. All right, or maybe even lower, who knows, we have yet to see this. All right, for now I am standing on the sidelines, okay, on the SPY and the Qs. We took a trade on the IWM, we closed that trade already. SMH is tearing to new highs again. But the markets pulled back today on that news of the replacement of Powell, something like that. And so obviously Powell helping the market out through the pandemic, getting replaced by somebody else is a bit of a concern, and for the market participants, which is why we saw that initial pullback. All right, guys. So over to the Qs. The Qs are in a similar boat, ladies and gentlemen. So We are reaching the 786, the 2618 of the small degree wave, all right, the 786 in the white candle, as you can see here, and the orange degree wave 3, all right. We stalled there. We're now looking at ABC into the wave 4 potentially, or the final fifth wave, okay. So I have to rearrange this wave count, but I think that while we make this correction down towards this zone, okay, I am thinking that the wave 3 has already topped out here, because we are stalling at the 2618. All right, then we start making our way down towards the 23 to the 38.2 of the Q in the Qs, while the SPY will lag behind before it starts rolling over. All right, we might see a little pop, and we see tech holding or correcting first. All right, so just keep in mind that if we break above the 399 towards the $400 region in the Qs, then we'll reconsider this wave count. But I do not see more continuation or further much more of a move to the upside in the Qs anyway. So be careful, guys, be careful. SMH, you know, as I mentioned yesterday, we are at the wave 1 already top. 1 2 3 4 5 1 6 1 8 extension of the wave of the wave 3 versus the wave 4. Pretty appropriate for wave 5 into the wave 1. Now we are going to start looking for a pullback down towards the zone, right? Towards the 23.6 to the 38.2, 291, 282. IWM taking a breather, as I mentioned to you guys yesterday again. Okay, wave 3 was almost completed. We're finding support at the 23.6 in the wave 4. This may be the wave A, up in B, potentially down in C, down to 38, or the 23.6 is our final destination here for IWM. All right, guys, so I hope this was useful. Give me a thumbs up on the video, join Trending Waves. Link to the Discord group will be pinned down in the comment section. As always, thank you so much. See you guys tomorrow and in the Discord group. Peace out.